barramundi are not the only fans of the Northern Territory coastline. This is holy water for both environmentalists and amateur anglers.
It is an incredibly rich and diverse place. Has beautiful seagrass meadows, mangrove forests, huge diversity of marine habitats like coral reefs as well.
Both groups fear Bynoe Harbour could be under threat from a plan to establish a sea cage barramundi farm, which would produce more than 3 times the Territory's current commercial catch.
When you contain large numbers of fish in a very confined space, there are disease risks and also pollution risks because of the amount of food that you're putting in and that going into the environments.
Sea cage fisheries have a muddy history in the Territory after a trial farm near the Tiwi Islands was battered by a cyclone, releasing escapees which environmentalists say can threaten wild populations.
We believe that this project is too risky to happen in an area as sensitive as Bynoe Harbour, and certainly call on the Territory government to side with Territorians who love this area and to side with our marine life, which do call this harbour home.
The Fisheries Minister has confirmed a company has expressed interest in creating a farm, but is yet to submit a formal application.
An approval of such a barramundi farm, if it were to go ahead, would be subject to very, very stringent environmental guidelines.
Not to mention the harbour's dedicated defenders. Lauren Day, ABC News, Darwin.